Hey guys, Abraham here out at the acres. Today we have Blackhawk Heating and Cooling out to talk a little geothermal heating and where the field will go, things like that. I'm gonna send you with Renee and the kids. They're gonna do a little bit of videoing here on this part. I'm gonna keep working with the guys. We're trying to get the interior walls up so we can start doing the trusses. So with all that being said, I'm gonna hand you over to one of the kids and they're gonna do a little videoing for us. How about that?
So right here is going to be the window for the house. We are downstairs and this is where it is. So right here is one of the bedrooms, and over here is also one of the bedrooms. It's a like huge bedroom. And we have like these two windows for the two bedrooms. We have this window, and we also have this bedroom, this window, and yep, and that's the rooms.
But yeah, I mean, you'll be fine there because we've got plenty. We've got that extra corner, and we can figure that out. I think.
All right, yeah. Then this
or there's the one room area too, I guess. If that's that's a pretty big space too.
Okay. Yeah, let me look back on it.
I'm gonna ask Abraham about if
The ducts.
if that side needs to be above the floor trusses.
And I mean, typically, into the webs and stuff, but if you do have a plan for that in the future, you want to try getting it much up.
Sure. And I think that is going to remain storage, storage of good stuff.
So I think this area is going to be like a little living room where all the game stuff is, and we'll have like a little popcorn machine down here. It'll be really fun. Over here is, so it'll be this like door in this way, and this area right here is a little bedroom. There's two windows, but when you go over here, right here, this square right here is going to be another bedroom. Right now we're going down to the pigs to water and feed them. Ezekiel and Obi are inside the forest right now, and I guess Mom and me will be doing the pigs today. Hi, girls. You want to be on screen? Come on. Hi, boy. So, this right here is our boar. He is the biggest pig. We are borrowing him and to breed our pigs. And here he is. This is one of our roosters. He guards down inside, like over by the pigs. And he has really pretty feathers. He's really nice. And I'm going to take you down to the house. It's right down here. So, right down here, we have the cows. Right there, the white one, the spots. That one is Corella. This way, guys. I am going to get the chants done really fast, and we will, if we get enough eggs, we can make our customers happy because we are selling chicken eggs. So this green thing right here, so it closes the thing when it is done, when it's night, and it opens when it's morning, because you'll be safe than if it's closed. Right now we're going back down to pigs. We're going to see if Mom has finished with the pigs. We are almost done. We have chickens. Then Jen is going to bring us home. She is here to work on the house too. And please subscribe to this channel. Right here, this white thing. The chickens sleep in that also from down there because they actually don't come up. They actually stay down here, and the chickens eat from over here. We also have this area. See? We have some bedding. Let's see this one. Some figure. This is my sister Genesis. She is 18 and can get married. She has glasses and they look very pretty on her.